Go to Admin page. Click Details. Click Add/Edit Patient Groups. Let's add Group D as a new group. Click New. Type in Group D. Click Add to save. To check, edit or delete patient groups, click A or type in the first few characters of the group's name. Select the group from the drop-down list. Edit accordingly and click Edit to save, or Del to delete. Let's see how to assign group to patients. Go to the registration page. Patients can be assigned a group from this drop-down. Let's select a patient, search patient by name here. And select the patient. Tick Edit to allow edit. Select Group D for example. And click Update to save. For new patients, Register button will be shown instead of Update button. Groups can also be assigned in the patient page. Let's go to the patient page. When a patient is selected, clicking on this vertical tab will shift to the next available group. Click again to go to the next group. To remove a group from this patient, click this tab until it becomes empty. Now let's see how to filter patients by groups. Go to the Reports page. Select this year to fill up entire year's period. Scroll down and click List Patients by Group/Type. Here you can filter patients by their group. For example, we select No Group and patients that have no group assigned will be listed. That's it. You're done.